Hello Daad community, I'm Amna, a Daad expert. Today, we are starting a new video series on an important topic, the role of blockchain technologies in the e-commerce industry, and today, this is an introductory video and we will discuss the details in a series of videos. We live in an era where technology is causing major disruptions, and the e-commerce industry has seen a significant shift in consumer behavior from offline to online shopping, which has led to the growth of the e-commerce market. From a global sales figure of $1.34 trillion in 2014, e-commerce is expected to reach $6.5 trillion by 2023. By 2040, online shoppers could account for 95% of all the purchases. Despite its growth, the e-commerce industry faces various challenges that slow down its performance. Blockchain technology that allows the data to be stored and shared securely and transparently. Blockchain technology emerges as a potential solution to many of these problems. The article explains how blockchain as a distributed ledger technology can benefit the e-commerce sector. Key features of blockchain such as real-time data distribution, decentralized network infrastructure, 51% attack resistance, and transparency are highlighted. Blockchain's ability to streamline transactions by eliminating the middleman, thereby reducing the cost and speeding up processes, is critical to e-commerce. It also protects against chargeback fraud, enhances the cybersecurity and data privacy, and improves the supply chain management. Blockchain's transparent nature can also enhance the trust and loyalty programs and help combat fake reviews. Despite their potential, current blockchain-based e-commerce solutions are in the early stages of development, with some closing or struggling. Platforms like OpenBazaar represent the primary implementation of this technology. Major companies including IBM and Visa are exploring the blockchain integration with e-commerce. Now I conclude by emphasizing blockchain's revolutionary impact on e-commerce, highlighting its potential to facilitate the efficient transactions, improve the security, and enhance supply chains and loyalty programs. The technology is poised to create a more transparent, cost-effective, and competitive e-commerce platform, which will benefit both merchants and consumers. Stay tuned for the series, and in the upcoming videos, we will share insights on blockchain role, revolutionize innovation, platforms, challenges, pros and cons, integration, and the future of blockchain in e-commerce industry. Thanks for watching. If you are new, please subscribe and share Daad Academy channel, an e-commerce mastery channel, and ask questions in the comment section. Watch our other services like AI, social media platform roles in e-commerce industry. In the next video, we will discuss what is the role of blockchain in e-commerce. Take care and bye. See you in the next video.